Welcome. Today we'll be covering alternate ways to clean disk space on your device and how to locate what's taking up space. Rather than a simple disk cleanup, we'll be downloading a tool to take a look. Let's dive in. So I open up a web browser. As you can see, I've done a search here. Just do a search for TreeSize and you should get jam-software.com. Go to the official download. Want to do the free download, so we'll do free download here. Just get the free one. Wait for it to download and then we'll run that. We'll just install for me, that's fine. Do OK. Accept the terms. Next, next. Add TreeSize to explore context menu, that's perfectly fine. We'll just do the full install up. I believe they do also have a portable version. Here we are, here's the portable version you can use as well. Just in the URL, you can do TreeSize free /portable. Then you can get to this page. If you didn't want to actually install the app and you just want to sort of run it one time or keep it on a USB stick, for example. But we'll go back to the software. We'll just click finish and then find TreeSize. You can just run this and then run as admin. It's also got an admin version there, but either or really does the same. And then we'll click yes on the prompt to run it. And here we are, so let's just full screen the software and we'll do select directory and we'll do our C drive and we'll let that load. It can take a minute to scan. It depends how big your drive is. After some time it should fill up and it will show you what's what and how much space things are taking up. Okay, so it's finished calculating. And we've got our C drive here, and we've got Windows folder, users, program files, and you can expand various folders. It also tells the percentage of space used here. Very handy app. So Windows folder you need to be careful of. Generally, you tend to avoid that unless you really know what you're doing. But things like the users folder, that's fine. Then we've got our profile here, Microsoft, and you could expand. So we've got creative cloud files that take up a lot of space, app data, but you could, obviously, you don't want to delete things like the app data folder. You could clear the temp folder inside. But it's more things like, say you had a lot of videos you didn't need, you could delete the contents in there, you could expand it, see what's in there. Things like that, downloads, you could expand the folder and whatever else you've got. But you could just use it as a way of gauging what's taking up space, and then you could use your normal file explorer, browse to where you needed to delete it. But it can be a better way in the disk cleanup, because you might run a disk cleanup and then you've still got loads of storage being taken up and not enough free, and you need to find out where it is. So this tool can be useful. You can keep the default settings. How it is, the layout here is good enough in my opinion. But yeah, this can be a useful tool to use. You could also download WyseTree. This is the one I tend to go for normally, though, TreeSize, but that's also another option. But yeah, if you have any questions about the app, just leave a comment below and we can help out with that. And that's it. If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.